Hello everyone. In this video, I will be telling about the lender's mortgage insurance and the 5% deposit guarantee scheme for the first home buyer's guarantee scheme. That is, you can buy a home on 5% deposit without paying a lender's mortgage insurance. Now, what is lender's mortgage insurance? Let's understand that first. The LMI, what you call as LMI, the lender's mortgage insurance is actually an insurance premium which is charged by the lenders if your deposit is less than 20%. If your LVR, which I explained in the previous video, loan to value ratio, that means the amount of loan which you are taking against your property is more than 80% and deposit is less than 20%. So if your LVR is between 80 to 95%, that means you have either 20% less up to 5% deposit, you are supposed to give one-time non-refundable payment, which can be up to 1 to 4% of your loan value. So it is quite an amount and it is non-refundable, and it insures the lender in case the borrower fails to repay. So the insuring company, whichever is taking this LMI, covers the loss of the lender in case the borrower is not able to make those payments in future. But it doesn't cover the borrower. As a buyer, you are not covered by this lender's mortgage insurance. You must understand this. It's a one-time non-refundable payment, as I told you earlier, but it's a very good option in case you don't have 20% deposit. It is very difficult these days to have that kind of deposit for people. Sometime if you're buying your second property. So rather than waiting to save that all 20%, what you can do is you can use the LMI way and buy a property early. And if you do it intelligently, it can be a very good deal for you. The first home buyers are exempted from the LMI. Now, first home buyers means that they should be buying first property in Australia. They should not have bought any property directly or indirectly, any of the applicants in Australia before this. And they must be Australian citizens or permanent resident. So these are two primary conditions. And apart from that, there are other conditions depending on state to state, like in Western Australia. The first home buyer guarantee scheme covers only properties up to $850,000. If your property value is more than $850,000, then it is not covered by the first home buyer's guarantee scheme. All right. And only impaneled selected lenders are in the Housing Australia scheme. This is a scheme by what we call an organization called Housing Australia, which is a government supported organization. Other states have different caps, so there are different some changes in state to state. So you right. So as a first home buyer's guarantee scheme, you can avoid the lender's mortgage insurance, just pay 5% deposit and still buy a home, provided you meet all those conditions which I told you. In case you have any other question, this is my detail. You can always bring me and or you can cover these things and ask me or your mortgage broker, whosoever is, they'll be happy to help. Thank you. See you in the next video when I'll explain you how lenders calculate your borrowing capacity, what factors matter and how it affects your borrowing capacity. See you then. Bye.